let's get started. So this is up there. This is our block for the week. It's kind of like a modified pinwheel. There's plenty of triangles there. So we've got our, I'm going to cut the triangles first because it's the same color and I need the same number. And that's this die. And I just need to measure. There is a trick to these rulers. Did you know it? So if you're looking, this is the Quilter Select ruler. When you're using the ruler, and this especially applies if they have the 1/2 inch on them, always throws me off every time. You need to be able to read the QS, the Quilter Select. As long as you can read it, if you have the 1/2 inch size ruler, you'll be going in the right direction. So my die is exactly 3 inches, 3.5, so I'm going to cut it 4 inches. And I am just lining up my line here with a salvage on the fabric. So I need 8 of these, so I only need 4 layers because there's 2 shapes on the die. So just right there. Almost did that wrong. It's 1 piece cut. Let's do this one. I like to fold them like this because, you know, once I trim this off, I still have a decent sized piece of fabric in the middle. There's those 8 pieces. And then I need 8 squares. And that's actually going to take 2 passes. And I don't think I have enough to make something else out of this. So I'm just going to cut my 6 out of this.
Wonder how many people are up to date on the block of the week.
You have to be.
Hey, minus Joan.
Even if they're not do it in the afternoon.
Sure. And then I'm going to take this little leftover piece.
Oh, Karen, well, we wish you luck on the surgery.
Who's having surgery?
Yeah, Karen said she's having a knee replacement.
Good luck with that. I hope it all goes well.
Yeah.
We'll be thinking about you. Be sure and log on and tell us how you're doing.
Yeah. So which die are you using there?
Okay, so on the pattern, it's so the squares, this is die number 2 from the 9-inch cube, and the triangles are die number 5 from the 9-inch cube. So it has a little spot right on the pattern, so when you download and print this out, it'll tell you which die it is. And then we've got some extra of that. This would be great for applique, lots of little leaves and stuff there. So I'm going to start by sewing all of my half square triangles together. Okay, so let's lay this one out because I have to. If I don't, it will be wrong. Just a little bit. It's almost like flying geese, sort of, except they're flying in circles.
Here, let me zoom in for you and have the viewers help out.
Thank you. Seriously. Okay. So I pressed all my seams in one direction, and I should not have. So let me just do this.
Unpress,
Unpress.
rewind.
Rewind. Redo. Well, it is super easy when you use this tool. When you iron them, it's not so easy.
Janice says she got her AccuQuilt today and was loving it.
Oh, it's awesome.
Which one did she get?
She got the Go Me and the 6 and the 9-inch cube because she's doing this project. And I think she just ordered the one of the companion cubes, but I can't remember which one.
Well, they've come out with a new companion, the setting.
The setting triangles. Yep. And don't think that they're just for the cubes. So AccuQuilt has a lot of 9-inch blocks. So if you have the 8-inch cube and you're thinking, I'm just going to get the 8-inch setting triangles, think about all those 9-inch and 12-inch block on boards that AccuQuilt has, that you could turn that bear paw on point and have that already done. I'm going to start with the triangles and sew those together so that I don't mess that up. So by swapping the direction that is that seam is pressed, I can nest these triangles. And it just helps them lay a little bit smoother. Okay, so those are just pieced together. Gonna make sure my seams are going the opposite direction. And then we're gonna pick these up and sew them all together. I guess it doesn't matter which way because I can just turn this around. Okay.
Yeah, 1 minute to get those all together.
I'll try. Okay.
What's that tool you got?
This is the doohickey. And it is a, what do they call it, Robert?
Multi-finger pressure tool.
Yep, that's it.
He's finally got it down.
Wait, I might have done it wrong.
Thank you, Tom. We really appreciate that. Thank you.
Okay, I think, okay, there we go. I'm like,
the
how can this be wrong?
The holiday does throw us off.
It does. I had a really nice holiday. I didn't really do anything. Did some sewing. Woo!
She was supposed to have it done in a minute.
Small wins. Hey, small wins. I am happy about this.
So this is week 28. You can download the pattern on our website if you're interested. It's free.
Actually, all of the patterns are there. A couple of weeks ago, we did a cheater limon star. It's a very beautiful block, but not the easiest one to piece.
Did it make it easier?
It did.
Did it?
Did.
I think I missed that one. It's been in the middle of my crisis.
I think you were snorkeling.
In the basement.
We need a boat down here. It's been raining for how many days? Like 25 days straight or something? I
Seems
think
like
we're
it.
in Seattle or something. Thumbs up. That's awesome. How's the gift?
Trying to,
Yep. Smash up that like button. You do an English fake accent.
Who?
You.
Never heard that.
it was fake.
I've heard it.
He didn't recognize
You had to have said it. Okay. Almost finished. Is it the spring equinox?
June 21st?
First summer.
June 20th, first day of summer.
It's about the same thing.
Give or take a day. Depends on where you're at.
And we're done.
It's a slow transition anyway.
Let's
see. Take it to the iron.
What's
Looks
another day?
good.
Yeah, what's another day?
Iron's hot. Make sure you don't spit on it.
Yep, make sure you
Blow
blow
off
off
the
the
steam,
steam.
yeah. Woohoo! All right.
What's that technique you're using?
The Laura start.
You know, pressing. So looks like I'm ironing. Like this is ironing. Like we imagine our grandmothers. I'm actually, when I'm moving it around, I'm actually lifting up a little bit because I don't want to stretch my block. So just leave it set. And there it is. Week 28, we determined.
And points on edge.
The points
Look at
on
that.
I don't know. Kind of seam going the wrong way on the back though. We can fix that.
So fixing your seam technique.
There's no wrong seams here.
Yeah.
They're all perfect.
Not at all.